There are multiple allegations about the RG Kar hospital on social media. There are charges that there was a porn racket going on here, there was a drug racket going on here, organ racket, I don't know what all. But what is the truth? Have the students here ever heard of any such corruption racket here? A group of students from this college are here with me. I'm starting with Dr. Abhishek. Dr. Abhishek, these social media theories that are doing the rounds, you know about them. Drugs, porn, and then that exam pressure. Have you heard anything of this kind while you have been a student here?
Yes, ma'am, I do have heard about all this. Some of them are true, some of them are not. I'd like to state that the first point about the sex racket, it was a rumor back from 2001, and that is currently not true. It was investigated and did not come out to be true right now. And there's nothing such going on in the college right now, ma'am. But the point that has been told, drug racket also same. I cannot actually validate if that is going on or not. If there is something in the internal, we do not know it about.
By drug racket, they mean selling medicines spuriously.
No, ma'am. That is what I'm telling. If there is something of that going of that nature, we do not have that information. Being simple students, we do not go into so much depths about that. You can understand that.
Right.
But ma'am, about the third thing, about the exam pressures and the students being harassed, that is absolutely true. And that has been going on for a while, since 3 years, since the very day Sandeep Ghosh was appointed as the principal of this very college. And ma'am, there has been committed a lot of crimes. You can say there are crimes only because...
So when you say exam pressure, I'm trying to understand, for your exams, for your thesis, you were penalized by not giving you the correct marks if you did not toe the line.
Yes, ma'am, that is absolutely true. There is a particular lobby that includes the principal and his followers. Those people who are closely in ties with the principal, those people, they get unfair advantage in the exams. Even if they do not study, even if they do not have the clinical acumen, those people get unfair advantage. They are given honors, especially by the HODs of some particular departments. They are also closely involved with this principal, and these people are given honors, and those people who do not follow the principal or try to raise their voice against this corrupt principal from day one have been harassed physically, mentally, and also in the exams. They have been failed multiple times in multiple subjects and ensured that they cannot pass in any way possible.
Okay, at least one student here, and I don't want to show their face, Pradeep, so if you can just come here. These are students who have been pushed to the extent that they try to take their lives. And they've now mustered the courage to come out and speak, but since there's still no clarity about what will be the end result, they don't want to show their face just as yet. But you have tried to commit suicide because you came under so much pressure. What really happened?
What happened is that on 8th of August 2021 हमारे जो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट थे ना, सब मिल के कॉलेज अगेंस्ट द प्रिंसिपल्स, देन प्रिंसिपल संदीप घोष सर, उन लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया था फॉर कॉमन डिमांड्स लाइक hostel, separate common rooms for boys and girls, and a fresh house-to-ship counseling. But our demands were not fulfilled, but we were targeted continuously for the 3 years, and we were failed in our exams. We were failed in semester exams and practical exams also. एंड जो हमारे साथ हुआ मेनली कि हम लोग को फेल करवा दिया गया, हम लोग को सुसाइड मेरे को करना पड़ा.
क्यों, मतलब आप इतना क्यों प्रेशर में आ गए, क्यों? एंड आई वांट टू शो देम हियर. प्रदीप, जस्ट लुक एट this scar mark is still very much there. His hand is still trembling as I'm asking this, and I hate to put you through this trauma, but I have to ask you कि आखिर ये लॉबी क्या ऐसा कर रहा था कि आपको अपनी जान लेने के बारे में सोचना पड़ा?
क्योंकि ये जो प्रिंसिपल और प्रिंसिपल के जो लॉबी है, ये हम लोगों को फेल कर दिया. मेरे को एग्ज़ाम में फेल कर दिया, मेरे को कॉलेज में और हॉस्टल्स में घुसने से मना कर दिया. मेरे को प्रॉपर नोटिस निकाल के इस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने पूरा मेरे कुछ दोस्तों को, ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे साथ सिर्फ हुआ है, और मेरे 5-6 दोस्तों को भी उन लोगों ने, और सीनियर को और जूनियर को भी उन्होंने फेल करवाया. हम लोगों को हॉस्टल में आइसोलेट करवा दिया. हमारे केस में सोशल मीडिया में फॉल्स प्रोपागेंडा फैलाया.
सोशल ऑस्ट्रेसाइजेशन भी था और एकेडमिक सेटबैक भी था.
इसीलिए हम लोगों को, मेरे को साइकेट्रिक काउंसलिंग करवानी पड़ी, ट्रीटमेंट करवानी पड़ी, क्योंकि आई हैड कमिटेड सुसाइड इन पर्टिकुलर हॉस्टल.
He tried to kill himself in a hostel at RG Kar. That was the kind of pressure that underwent. ये one-off case है? Is this a one-off case, Because I'm asking you because even the victim doctor whose case RG Kar is currently seeing, she also wrote in her diary and she told her parents that she was feeling extremely pressurized. तो जो इनके साथ हुआ, क्या ये वन ऑफ है? जो उस लेडी डॉक्टर के साथ हुआ, क्या ये वन ऑफ है? या इस टाइप का प्रेशर आप सब लोग फील करते हैं?
Absolutely right, because this is actually one of the many cases, you know, and one of the many, one of the many pressurizing things we are facing in the college since last 3 years. And
So people who are part of the coterie, they get good marks, they get better duty hours and they get better duty life while you guys suffer.
Okay, just it's not about just based on better duty hours and good marks. They have been awarded with gold medals, and people who know nothing, and it is surprising to each and every student of the college, like how they get, you know, gold medals. Everyone knows, but everyone keeps their mouth shut just in case that next victim is not like our Didi. So we are very, you know, embarrassed to not to show our faces, because we are also currently, you know, suppressed with so many threats. So I'm very embarrassed that I'm not able to show my face.
No, but you're very brave that at least you're coming on record and sharing what has happened. My final question to you: I've asked them about the kind of pressure, but as far as this allegation is concerned, why was this coterie or this group pressurizing students so much? What did they want out of you? क्या चाहते थे आपसे?
They just wanted that all students to support them, and they want to suppress the other people's voice. That is what the
Why? Because Sandeep Ghosh as a principal should continue.
yeah, that was their main motive, because 2 years ago there were many incidences that Sandeep Ghosh should resign. There were many political parties. There was dharna for 21 days, but nothing really happened.
This is the time when a new principal was appointed, Dr. Manash, and the room was locked.
For 1 to 2 days. Then again Sandeep sir came back. So it was.
So my final question, I mean, I've understood after speaking to you boys that you guys are put under immense pressure, and this is because this coterie wants Dr. Sandeep Ghosh to continue as a principal. But why is it so important for this coterie to have only one man as a principal? Any idea why was his being in this college so important?
Yeah, because just to propagate the ideology, I think.
To propagate the ideology. What do you think? Do you think there was something that was going on here for which Sandeep Ghosh's presence was so important? You if you don't know, you can say I don't know.
I think there is something beneficial that is earning the principal to continue this dictatorship, but I don't really know what is that thing.
You don't know the details.
I also want to know
You also want
ki
to know.
what is the thing that put me on this type of pressure, and I have tried to commit suicide. And
Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of this case. CBI is investigating this case. Are you hopeful? Do you think finally there will be an end to this era?
Actually, we will be very much relieved if something like this happens. But yes, we are hopeful. But let me also tell you that we have also hoped for something like this, you know, and we're hoping for something like this since 3 years. But nothing has happened. Nobody has, you know, given us a bit of importance or attention to, you know, remove this malicious man from his post. And what to say, I'm really, you know, scared about all this, because this is not just work of a one man. He continues his agenda with a particular group of UG interns and house staffs, and they are the entire college is feared. And even I would, you know, like, you won't believe if I say something like this, because even the students are, you know, feared to come in the protest, just because one of them has said that not to come to the protest just at the night when our Didi was no more with us. That night only one of the student from the unit has said, one of the prominent leader student from the unit said that nobody will come to the protest tomorrow. And just like that, no juniors, you know, had that courage in themselves to come, because they don't want to be the next victim.
I really don't know what to say. I mean, yes, we have heard about all kinds of allegations about the principal. The CBI is probing this matter. Maybe the Central Bureau of Investigation would want to take note of the kind of harassment allegedly the principal and his supporters have put students through, to the extent that at least one student here is coming out and accepting that he wanted to kill himself because he could not take the pressure, the humiliation, the ostracization anymore. With Pradeep Kumar Das, this is Arunima.